What's up, everyone? This is the Sonic 3D Blast Dude here. I am on the Bronx-bound 6 local train where I left 28th Street. The next stop is going to be 33rd Street. Right now, I'm in the process of helping a person get to Grand Central 42nd Street, which is 2 stops away. Okay, we are now leaving 33rd Street. That means the next stop is Grand Central 42nd Street. Alright, this is Grand Central 42nd Street.
Excuse me. Thank you.
You're welcome. That's it for this adventure. This is Sonic 3D Blast Dude. I'll see you next time.